How do protective emblems gain legal significance under IHL? Imagine a red cross painted on a hospital wall or a white flag fluttering over a medical convoy. These symbols are more than just signs. They carry powerful legal weight. Under International Humanitarian Law, or IHL, protective emblems like the Red Cross, Red Crescent, and Red Crystal are recognized as symbols of neutrality and protection during armed conflicts. Their legal importance is rooted in treaties called the Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols. These treaties explicitly define and regulate these emblems, making sure they are used correctly and respected by all parties. When these symbols are displayed, they tell everyone that the person or object is protected from attack because they serve medical or humanitarian purposes. This protection is based on the principle of distinction, which requires parties to tell apart civilians and civilian objects from military targets. Only authorized groups, like the medical services of armed forces, civilian medical units under government control, and the International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement, can use these emblems. Using them without permission or misusing them to deceive the enemy is a serious violation of IHL and can be considered a war crime. The emblems must be displayed clearly and prominently, in their specific colors and shapes, so they are easy to recognize from a distance. This standardization helps ensure that all parties can identify protected persons and objects quickly and accurately. Countries that are part of the Geneva Conventions are required to create national laws to regulate the use of these emblems and punish misuse. This legal framework helps maintain respect for the symbols and their protective role. Besides signaling protection, these emblems also show affiliation with the International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement, which stands for neutrality and impartiality. This dual role strengthens their legal and humanitarian significance. In practice, this means that medical personnel and humanitarian workers can carry out their duties knowing they are protected by these recognized symbols. They symbolize a promise by all parties to respect human dignity and safeguard those who are not participating in hostilities. If these emblems are misused, their protective value is compromised, which is why strict rules and respect are essential under international law.